taking this door out, had to be careful, and has several screws in it. It's so not easy to take it out. But when you take it out, this is the one you need to take it. Let's see. So here, the one inside, 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. And one thing, but most of the thing you had to go inside to unscrew it. I'll use number 10. I have to use this one. Where is it? 10, 10, 10, 10. Anyway, it's a 10. That's the one I use. Okay, now focus. Why? Anyway, so in order to take the actuator out, that's what you had to do. Alright, I'm going to get my actuator out and replace the new one.